In Mt Hagen, preparations are complete and final checks underway for Papua New Guinea's 50th Independence Jubilee celebrations. Today, key leaders including the Provincial Police Commander John Sagom, representative of PNG Defence Force, Honorable Governor Wai Rapa, Mt Hagen City Authority CEO Noki, and the Deputy Administrator Esley Tikil came forward together to deliver one message.
This year's celebrations will be a peaceful one. We have our Provincial Defence Force who are already here on the ground with us. We are having a combined operations for the 80th Independence celebration for Western Highlands Province. This year's celebrations will be a peaceful one. And I want to give that assurance to all our citizens in the province, Kampung Nebilia, Purbaya Lumusa, Day Council, and Hagen Eben and Hagen Pulau.
Since we're in for a big celebration, security will not be an issue. Everybody is guaranteed their safety. Whatever has transpired in the Black Wednesday, our governor has taken the lead with the PPC. We proved it, and we are going to prove it once again that Mt Hagen and Western Highlands, we are all geared to celebrate this golden jubilee that is going to be memorable. And we thank our honorable governor and the chairman of the Mt Hagen City Authority and the honorable member for Hagen Open and the state-owned enterprise minister, Minister Duma, who are working very closely with the governor.
With security, I've seen that we've got a very vibrant, very strong PPC. Got a very strong command, and the cooperation is very good. We also have the boost of the PNG Defence Force, Moem Barracks here in the province, and they are already monitoring. And security will not be easy. So we would like the cooperation of everybody. Yeah. Let's all respect the law. Let's all respect the day. Yeah. So we all celebrate its style into the next 50 years. Thank you.
We have seen that Western Highlands will celebrate the 50 years independence. I see we are all geared up, look forward to one of the biggest events ever happened in the history of Western Highlands province. And this one will be celebrating the 50 years of independence. I want to thank our forefathers, the Honorable Grand Chief Sir Thomas Somare, and all our members of parliament who were present that September 16, 1975 for bringing independence. And we got our independence. And that gives a lot of rights and whatever things we are doing today. We are very lucky to get our independence, not through bloodshed. And this day, September 16, Western Highlands province, we want to commemorate that to have the biggest event ever. I have traveled the four corners of Western Highlands province. I have seen people in gear are gear up to celebrate. I've seen people in Lumasa, I've seen people in Ronna, and I've seen people in four corners of the Western Highlands province. They are all gonna come in to celebrate the 50 years of independence. I, as governor, I want to appeal to all our people in Western Highlands province and the other 6 or 7 island provinces who are maybe probably passing through this city or town. To that day, please respect this town. I would like to appeal to all our people in the province that September 16 is a very important day in our life. So Mt Hagen town will not tolerate any illegal activities. We are not going to compromise security. Security is very important. As you can see, the defense force here. As you can see, our PPC here. As you can see, the CEO of Mt Hagen City. As you can see, the chairman for the organizing committee here. We all are putting our thoughts together and we want to celebrate independence in a more meaningful way. So whoever you are coming to town, please, we appeal to you that you have to respect your own province, your town, and your leaders, and Papua New Guinea, and our forefathers who got independence that day. All our leaders of Western Highlands province, the Honorable Member for Aganopan, and Minister for State-Owned Enterprises, the Honorable William Duma, will be here. The Honorable Minister for Commerce and Industry, Honorable Queen Bagredaki, will be here. The Honorable Jacob Maki, Member for Mulbaya Lumisa and Vice Minister for Police, will be here. Myself as Governor, I will be here. And there's a lot of invited guests and people will be here to celebrate independence, 16th September. So we appeal to all our 4 districts of Western Highlands Province, leaders, councillors, churches leaders, and public servants, everybody. That day we look forward to a good celebration for this province. So we all welcome you here. Thank you. God bless Western Highlands and Papua New Guinea. Thank you.
With strong security, city preparations complete, and full support of the provincial leaders, Western Highlands Province is ready for the 50th Independence Jubilee. The message from all leaders is clear. Come celebrate, your safety is guaranteed.